Hi, I'm Tony Lepore. I'm the dancing cop from Rhode Island, and I'm here to have a procedure done on my hip. The pain is in my hip, but it also extends into my leg and parts of my knee. That happened 4 or 5 years ago, and it got worse, and now I can't perform anymore. The first recommendation, which is a very popular recommendation, and that's a hip replacement. I researched that, and I don't think I could have been able to do the activities I do during my performances with a replacement. I researched online different procedures, and this one really intrigued me. I looked into it. I've had a consultation, and I'm very confident that this is going to work.
I am so thrilled that my husband chose to have this procedure done. He has been in such pain for so long, and it really hurt to see him hurting. He actually came dancing out of the procedure room, and I am just so thrilled for this whole thing for him. And we're anxious to see what the next couple of months brings, and we know he'll be jumping on his bike and running. We're just so confident in this whole operation.
Well, I'll tell you, I thought this procedure was going to be much more painful and a little invasive, and it wasn't. To me, it was a piece of cake. The doctor, every step of the way, let me know everything that was going on. And I actually looked at the x-ray, and I could see what was going on. I would recommend this for anyone. The pain is minimal. I mean, I got ice pack on here, and I've used ice packs for other things, and that's all I need coming out. That's me.